Oh. Hello everybody and welcome back to the Chateau on what is a stunning spring day, which is why I've had to get on with a couple of jobs outside. Okay, there was a big pile of cut and split conifer. So if anyone can remember last year and the run up to the party, well, this massive conifer, there used to be a conifer which came all the way up and leaning, as you can see, at a terrible angle. I used to call it the leaning conifer of Pisa as a joke, but it was going to come down one day, and it did. And that stretched out right across here, and then that stump there was all stretched right out across here. So last year in the run up to the party, and because of the weather, it was very, very, very late on in the summer, had to try to deal with this area, and it's recovering but not recovered. So what have I done so far today? Well, I'm getting ahead of myself before the summer and before any sort of parties. So there was a huge pile of logs here, all from this conifer stretching through here, and that section. This lot will grow back all right. That section was quite dead, so I've just raked that over with some grass seed and a bit of water just to help it along. It's early enough to do it. I'll still have to get rid of that trunk, but I need to make it as clear as possible, because then it's the least amount of work for me. Why? Well, look at how wonderful the grass is looking over there, and it's not exactly looking bad on this side. And that is because of someone nicknamed it Morris, the mower. That's I do quite like that one, actually. He's a grass seed there, really. Morris is, he's not called Morris, he's called Foka, but that's from a cartoon, Foka and Robotnik. Robotnik's the one inside. Right, this is going for it. The grass is doing quite a good job, but it does, obviously, it gets jammed up quite a lot. This isn't a sponsored video, by the way. It gets jammed up quite a lot, and as you can see, the garden is full of little sticks and all the rest of it. So trying to make everything as clear as possible so this can do its job and alleviate my time for other things is an extreme importance. So it's worth getting, like I said, these bits done, because the grass can grow back and the mower can do its job. Of course, it won't be mowing over the fresh area because I've set that as a no-go zone. Now, as it's beautiful weather, I've got some flowers in the pots ready to grow and, bush out. I want a barbecue. And it gives me an opportunity, as I'm under pressure, to get this place actually in order. So I will have comments. You will all go, there's not enough flowers in each pot. That's because I don't want it ready immediately. This is spring, these have all been fertilised, they will grow on and they will bush out, and then you're only using a small amount compared to wanting it immediately ready. And now, let's sort this out, break out the hog roast machine, everything. Let's enjoy myself.
Hello, little mate. How are you? You right? Good.
So my barbecue was a success, and that was a private affair with my friends. Lots and lots and lots of comments regarding where I have been. No, I haven't been sick. I have been doing other stuff. So anyone that follows the other channel, as well as this one, will know obviously that the dog is getting old, his hips are going, he struggles, he can't get in any of the other cars apart from the BMW, which was then in pieces. So I have, as part of the summer, trying to put that back together, which is finally on the road, thankfully, because being able to spend the summer with the dog and going out and doing things is much more important than making videos and doing some renovation to a bedroom, which is also why I've been rushing around doing lots of stuff outside, because the whole point is to early on try to get life in order to be able to enjoy where you live as opposed to just work at it. But thank you for everybody that messaged and was asking if I was right and all the rest of it. I absolutely, yes, just taking a little bit of time out, and to be 100% honest, it's really difficult the first video back. It really, really, really is. So this is just out there, and then we're back to doing lots of things. But in the meantime, I'm going to enjoy an evening with the dog, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.